Hi lovely people, I'm Kanak. Welcome to your favorite channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you a great accompaniment for many of the South Indian dishes, that is coconut chutney. This is one of the most popular side dish with the savory snacks such as dosa, idli or vada. This is a spicy condiment made out of coconut and other spices and herbs. First up, put the coconut pieces, green chilies, ginger, roasted split gram and salt in a blender with very little water and the yogurt. Now grind it to a fine paste. If you want, you can adjust the water at this point of time. Grind it for around 2 to 3 minutes, and once the paste is ready this way, keep it aside. Now prepare the tempering by heating the oil and now adding the mustard seeds. When they crackle, add the urad dal, red chili and curry leaves and stirring till the mustard seeds crackle. Once the tempering is ready, now pour it over the prepared chutney and mix well. Now my lovely spicy coconut chutney is ready. And my perfect traditional South Indian coconut chutney is ready. As you can see, it's quite consistent. It's not very thin also and it's not very thick also. It's perfect for all your savory South Indian dishes. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.